As you'll notice, there's a lot of deer track in the area. Those are one of the things that we look for to find out whether our habitat program is actually working. And when we see deer print like this, deer tracks, we know our habitat program is working. In the area right in this clearing here, we were in here this winter with a front end loader and we've cleared this out. Last year we had a food plot in here. We'll put another food plot in here this summer. But what we'll do is we'll work this land all up and we'll put another food plot in. This is perfect for the deer for a good food plot because it's in the woods. It's protected. So when they come in here to feed, they know they're safe. And as you can see by the deer track in the area, they know they're safe. Now if you look over here on this tree, as you can see, this is a deer rub. This is a buck rub. This is where they come in, they rub their antlers. Now this is a little old, this is not quite a fresh one, but this is from this winter. And that's quite the rub. That's quite the good sized buck that's done that.